welcome back to GK online class. I hope you all are fine, isn't it? Today is Monday, so today is your GK class. Today you are going to study a new lesson. Do you all remember the last lesson? What did I teach you? Yes? Okay, I taught you about animals. My dear kids, you all studied about domestic animals, pet animals, wild animals, etc. So, today we are going to study about nature. We are going to study about nature. My dear kids, today we are going to study a new lesson about nature. You all know what is nature? Nature is defined as the natural earth and the things on it. Nature provides us many things like air, water and sunlight. Okay? It also provides us animals, birds, etc. Plants are also a part of beautiful nature. Okay? So, we are going to study about sun. Okay? Where do we see the sun? You can see the sun in the sky. We can see the sun in the morning. Sun gives us light. What gives us light? Sun gives us light. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay? Next we are going to study about the moon. The moon. We can see the moon in the sky at night. You can see the moon in the sky at night. You can see the stars also at night. What gives us light at night? The moon. The moon gives us light at night. Clouds are also the part of the nature. Clouds are also the part of the nature. My dear kids, do you know how many colors are there in rainbow? Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? Yes, there are 7 colors in rainbow. 7 colors in rainbow. How many colors are there in rainbow? 7 colors. Can you see the colors of rainbow here? See, this is the colors of rainbow. 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. There are 7 colors in rainbow. Okay? Oh, what is this? Lightning. It is also a part of nature. Lightning also a part of nature. Do you like to play in the rain? See, rain. It is raining. Rain gives us water. Rain gives us water. It is also a part of nature. Can you hear any sound? It's a wind blowing. Wind blowing. It's a sound of wind blowing. It is also a part of nature. It's also a part of nature. Can you see this picture? Can you say what is this? It's a river. It's a river. It is also a part of nature. River is also a part of nature. My dear kids, have you ever been to a beach? Have you ever played in the sea? Yes, it is also a part of our beautiful nature. Can you see this picture here? It is what? Mountain. Yes, it is mountain. Mountain is also a part of nature. Okay, children, we can see many trees around us. Those trees are also a part of our nature. Nature is the gift of God. Nature is the gift of God. So, my dear children, I hope you all understood the lesson nature. Sun, moon, stars, mountains, river, sea are all part of nature. So, we'll see you in the next class, the new lesson. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.